Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing some free masterclass programs that are offered by Scalar platform. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, special offers that are running in different e-learning websites, job updates, internships, workshops and other online events. And you can also get subject-wise free courses with AnswersQ website. Make use of it. And I just want to give a small tip about Coursera platform here. I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from top companies and universities like Google, Amazon, Facebook. So the content will be very good in the programs that are available in Coursera. So if you want to learn anything in Coursera, what you can do is you can go for Coursera Plus monthly plan. What a lot of people are doing is they are buying single learning programs for 3,000 to 6,000 rupees per month. But you can get it for 4,306 per month with Coursera Plus monthly offer. And not only the program which you want, you can access anything that you want with Coursera Plus offer. You can access all the courses, all the guided projects, specializations, professional certification programs, everything with this offer. So make use of it. With Coursera Plus monthly offer, you can save a lot of money, as well as you can develop your skills and get certificates from Coursera as well. So make use of it. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera Plus monthly offer. So now let us go back and see the free masterclass programs that are offered by Scalar platform one by one. So first one is, how is a World Cup match live streamed to 1 billion plus devices? So the instructor will be Mr. Mohit Yadav, who is a senior software engineer at Facebook, and this class will be conducted on 24th of October, that is upcoming Sunday, from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. So this is going to be a 3-hour class in which you can learn to design a content ingestion pipeline from scratch, and you'll also learn how to contribute content via CDN, which is Content Delivery Network, on a global scale. And you'll learn the differences between live streaming versus recorded content as well. And there are some prerequisites. So if you already know the differences between vertical and horizontal scaling and load balancing concepts, this program can be even more beneficial for you. So they have given 2 prerequisite videos here. You can just go through it if you want, and after completing the program, you can also get a certificate from Scalar Academy. And there are some gifts as well. They'll conduct some quizzes after the masterclass. If you come in the top, you can win some gifts as well. So this is the first one, which will be conducted on 24th of October. There are 3 more. Next one is how to build a successful career in data science. So this is going to be given by Pawan Kumar, who is the head of data science department in Uber India. So this will be conducted on 30th of October from 12:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. So this is a 1.5-hour online program in which you can get to know about the career opportunities in data science and machine learning sectors. And you'll also learn the preparation strategies for data science interviews in topmost companies. And you'll get to know about the must-have competencies to become a successful data scientist. So this is the second one. Third one is understand the tree data structure and its applications. And this is also conducted by expert Pratik Narang. He's an ex-software engineer at Google. And this program will be conducted on 28th of October 2021 from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. This is a 3-hour program. So what you will learn in this program is, you will understand how to build a tree data structure, you will learn how to approach interview questions, and you will understand the common problem solving patterns behind various string matching problems. So this one will be conducted on 28th October, make use of it. And the last one is how to be a sought after data scientist. So there are a lot of people out there, how you can stand out from regular people. So that is what you'll be learning in this program, which will be conducted by Mudit Goyal, who's a product and strategy head of Scalar Academy. So this will be conducted on 26th of October, and it will be conducted for 1.5 hours from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So let's take a look at what you can get from this program. So you can learn what are the things that are going to keep you apart from the regular people who are learning data science. And you will also get to know about the career opportunities in data science and machine learning principles, and you will learn what is currently missing in other data science bootcamps and what Scalar is going to do for it and how they are going to cover those bases will also be taught to you in this program. So make use of these free master classes, and generally Scalar Academy also gives free certificate after completing the master classes. So make use of it. I hope you will find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, just subscribe to Answers Q and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this.